Hi, here we have Nissan Qashqai. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. Cabin filter is located at the passenger side. And so first we have to, sorry about that, first we have to pull out this plastic cover like this. So now we can see where is the plastic cap, and we can pull it out from here. Like this. Now we can see the cabin filter. We have to squeeze it a little so we can remove it. This one looks good. Probably it was changed recently. Now I'm going to install a new one. Here I have new cabin filter. This is the part number. The airflow should be like this. Now it's a little difficult for installation. Like this. Next we have to install the plastic core, and we have to install and that will be all. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.